Alright, I figure I'll show you how to make a Bogota. Or how I make a Bogota. You can see it's starting to take shape. Getting there. The key is you can't put it back on once you take it off, so you gotta take it off little by little. You can't go back, and if you mess up, that's it. You just gotta give it away or start over. I watched a video of how Raymundo does his, and he uses hand files, and I'm not that good. Not to mention I don't have the super expensive hand files anymore. Hot. I think that should be about it. That's a good rough cut here. See if you can see that. So that's a good start. And then this will be a single. And then those two go together. And then that'll make a married pair. And then of course, you know, I'm going to have to, this has a lot of more handwork to be done. Now I got to go through and I got to sand this all down so it's all round on both sides and make sure I sand in between each one, and it's going to make sure that it glides up and down the keyway and make sure all the pins go smoothly and make sure it does its job and make sure that the spacing's correct. So I just thought I'd share that with everyone and show how I make them. So thanks a bunch for watching.